Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to export a video and also how to optimize it for YouTube. So you've added your video clips and you've finished editing. Now you want to save the video with the best possible settings. First thing you'll want to do is go to the export menu by going to File, Export, and Media. In this menu, you'll want to select the H.264 format and then ensure both Export Video and Export Audio are checked off. You will also want to make sure that the output resolution under Summary matches the resolution you intended your video to be. Next step is to scroll down under the video heading and check off Render at Maximum Depth. Scrolling further down the video menu, you'll see bitrate encoding. You want to set this to VBR2 pass and set the target bitrate to 15 and maximum bitrate to 40. Lastly, you'll want to make sure you have the Use Maximum Render Quality checked off at the bottom, and then you're ready to go. Don't forget to set where your video will be saved by clicking the output file at the top of the menu. Now you're ready to save the video. Scroll to the very bottom and click Export, and you're done.